Good morning, students. Today we study about electrostatic. Electrostatic is a big unit, and in this unit there are four chapters we have to study. And first chapter is electric field. So before going to electric field, we come to electrostatic. What is electrostatic? तो सबसे पहले देखते हैं electrostatic. Dear students, this electrostatic word became by combining the two words electro plus static. Electro means electrons and static means at rest. Electro means electrons and static means at rest. That means electrostatic का मतलब क्या हो गया? Electrons at rest, the study in which electrons are taken at rest is known as electrostatic. So the definition is the branch of science that deal with static electron is known as electrostatic. But electrons are static and electrons are known as charge. Electrons are known as charge. So we use the word electrons as charge. And second definition becomes the branch of science that deal with the static charge. That deal with static charge is known as electrostatic. ऐसी ब्रांच जिसमें हम स्टैटिक चार्ज की स्टडी करते हैं, चार्ज एट रेस्ट पे होगा, वेलोसिटी ऑफ चार्ज जीरो हो जाए, उसको हम बोलेंगे इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक. If charge is in motion, then the study is not known as the electrostatic. Clear? So now we have to study about charge. So better. Okay. We comes to charge. What is charge and what is the properties of charge? Charge. तो my dear students, चार्ज को हम समझते हैं दो एग्जांपल्स लेके, और वो दो एग्जांपल्स में पहला एग्जांपल मैं लेने जा रहा हूं चार्ज के लिए. वी हैव टू कंसीडर ए ग्लास रॉड एंड ए सिल्क. A glass rod and silk. Example of a glass rod and a piece of silk. If we rub the glass rod on silk, then what happen? If we rub the glass rod on silk, then a special properties comes to the silk and glass rod that they can apply the force on another small particles of dust. कहने का मतलब क्या है कि अगर आप सिल्क रोड और ग्लास को रब करवाते हो, ये ग्लास रोड है और ये सिल्क है, सिल्क और ये क्या है, ग्लास रोड. अगर आप इन दोनों को रब करवाओगे तो क्या होगा, इनके पास स्पेशल प्रॉपर्टी आ जाएगी, और वो स्पेशल प्रॉपर्टी क्या होगी कि वो किसी दूसरे पे एक फोर्स अप्लाई करते हैं. These are applying a force to another bodies which are smaller than these bodies, and this force ये जो फोर्स लग रहा है वो फोर्स क्या कहलाता है, इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स. This force is known as electric force, and this force is due to the charge, that is special properties created by the rubbing action. जब हम इनको रब कर रहे हैं तो इनके पास एक स्पेशल प्रॉपर्टी क्रिएट हो रही है और वो स्पेशल प्रॉपर्टीज क्या होती है? चार्ज होती है। कहां से आ रही है? इनको रब करने से। व्हाट इज हैपनिंग व्हाइल द रबिंग? जब हम इनको रब कर रहे हैं तो इनके साथ क्या हो रहा है कि वो प्रॉपर्टी क्रिएट हो पा रही है। क्या हो रहा होगा? तो हम इधर देखते हैं, somewhere else this is glass and this is silk. Let us consider the glass rod have the number of electron is equal to 14. So number of proton that is equal to also 14. And consider silk have number of electron that is equal to 12 and number of proton that is equal to also 12. If we rub each other, then what is happening? The electrons of glass rod transferred from glass to silk. And if we consider, suppose let 2 electron transfer from glass rod to silk, then अगर यहां से 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन इसके पास ट्रांसफर हो गए तो क्या होगा? What is happened that number of electrons in glass rod, somewhere else, draw the diagram. Now after transferring number of electron in glass rod that is equal to become 14 electrons पहले थे minus 2 electrons हो गए, then it become 12 electron and number of protons is equal to 14. Positive charge is 14, negative charge is 12. Total charge of glass rod, total charge will be equal to 14 proton minus 12 electron, that is 2 positive charge. That is 2 positive charge. जैसे ही आपने रब किया इसके पास 2 पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ गया. So by the positive charge it have a property to apply a force on smaller particle, and this property is known as charge. Clear है? इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफर हुए, ट्रांसफर होने से चार्ज हुआ, चार्ज होने से प्रॉपर्टी आई और वो प्रॉपर्टी क्या करती है? फोर्स अप्लाई करती है किसी अनदर बॉडी पे, और वो अनदर बॉडी पे जो फोर्स लगता है उसी फोर्स से क्या कहते हैं? उस प्रॉपर्टी को क्या कहते हैं? चार्ज. एंड द फोर्स इज नोन एज इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स. क्लियर और नॉट? ओके. नाउ वी हैव टेकन a second example. And the second example is of gravitational force. Example second. Let us consider two electrons placed at 1 centimeter apart from each other see this is 1 electron and this is 1 electron. Clear or not? We also know that mass of electron that is equal to 9.1 multiply 10 raised to power minus 31 kg. The mass of electron equal to 9.1 multiply minus 31 kg, and this is mass of electron, this is mass of electron. Two masses bodies placed at a distance, then what will happen? A gravitational force will be occur. and the gravitational force is an attraction force between two bodies. इन दोनों बॉडी के बीच में एक attraction force होगा, वही gravitational force होगा जो यहाँ पे apply होगा. By gravitational force we can calculate the force, and the force is equal to F is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square. The value of G is equal to 6.67 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 11. The value of G is equal to 6.67 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 11 square Newton upon kg square. By applying this value in the formula, we get the F is equal to 6.67 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 11 multiplied 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 square, because m1 and m2 both are equal, so I am taking 9.1 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 31 square, and r is equal to 1 centimeter, that is r is equal to 1 centimeter, that is equal to 10 raised to power minus 2 meter. By applying the value of r 10 raised to power minus 2 square, then Fg will get 5.5 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 67 Newton. By applying that formula of gravitational force, we get the force, that is 5.5 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 67 Newton, which is between two electrons, and this force is attraction force. This force is attraction force, but in laboratory we can see that the force between two electrons must be equal to 2.3 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 23 Newton. Somewhere in some books this is written as minus 24 Newton, and in some books minus 23 Newtons. Approximately we can see that 2.3 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 23 Newton, and this force is a force of repulsion between two electrons equal to, and this force is a repulsive force. Clear? This force is repulsive force, but this force is a force of attraction. So we can conclude that apart from gravitational force, there is a force in a charged body which will occur by a special property, and this special property is known as charge. वो स्पेशल प्रॉपर्टी क्या है? चार्ज है. यानी ये जो एक्स्ट्रा फोर्स यहाँ पे मिला है, फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन के रूप में, फोर्स ऑफ रिपल्सन के रूप में, वो किसका फोर्स होना चाहिए? चार्ज का फोर्स होना चाहिए, और उस प्रॉपर्टी का नाम क्या है? चार्ज है. By two example we can say that charge is a property of any matter. Charge is a property of any matter which can apply a force to another charged body. Let's write. Okay. Now we write the definition of charge. Then what is definition charge? Definition of charge is charge. Charge is a property of any body by which it can it can apply a force on another body, another charged body, charged is known as charge. So what is charge? Charge is a property. चार्ज इज ए प्रॉपर्टी, यानी किसी भी मैटर की क्या होती है? प्रॉपर्टी होती है, ये उसका एक गुण है. चलिए, इन द यूनिट ऑफ चार्ज, यूनिट ऑफ चार्ज इज इक्वल टू कूलम. यूनिट ऑफ चार्ज इज कूलम एंड चार्ज is a scalar quantity. Charge is a scalar quantity, not vector quantity. Clear? लिख लीजिए इसको. Okay. Now we define the charge. Charge defined हो चुका है. अब types of charge, यानी what kinds of charge are possible in the world and what kinds are not possible and what is happening by between the two charges. So write down types of charge. By several experiments, we can conclude that charge is of two types. Charge is of two types. First one is positive charge. And second one is negative charge. First one is positive charge and second one is negative charge. If anybody having same kind of charge, then they repulse each other, and if anybody having different kind of charge, then they attract each other. Clear or not? अगर सेम टाइप का चार्ज दोनों बॉडी पे है तो वो क्या करेगी? सेम काइंड ऑफ चार्ज रिपल्सिव, डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ चार्ज अट्रैक्टिव. दो डिफरेंट काइंड होंगे, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव, अट्रैक्शन होगा, नेगेटिव नेगेटिव रिपल्सन होगा, पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव रिपल्सन होगा. क्लियर और नॉट? ओके, नाउ वी डिस्कस इन नेक्स्ट क्लास. अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर लिखें. थैंक यू वेरी मच सर.